Let's talk about receiving items that you've ordered on purchase orders and how that affects your inventory. Let's come here under the Tasks pull-down menu and let's come down to Purchases, Receive Inventory. Let's pull in our vendor, Southern Garden Wholesale. When we bring in this vendor, Peachtree brings us to the Apply to Purchase Order Number tab. That's because there are open purchase orders outstanding with this vendor. If there were no outstanding open purchase orders with this vendor, then Peachtree would bring us to the Apply to Purchases tab. Let's click on this down arrow and let's select purchase order number 10201. Let's say that we received a shipment today, and within that shipment there were 8 of these, all 6 of these, and 10 of these. With the shipment, an invoice did not arrive. We'll receive the invoice in a few days. So we want to click this box. Let's right-click right here and see what this does for us. Waiting on bill from vendor. Select the Waiting on bill from vendor checkbox if you do not have an invoice yet. This lets you update your inventory with the items you have received. But since you don't have a bill from the vendor yet, you can't send a payment. So let's check this box because we know we're going to get the invoice in a few days. Now, remember what we've received. 8 of the first line, 6 of the second, and 10 of the third, and none of the fourth. Let's save this, and let's come back in to Southern Garden Wholesale. Right away, Peachtree prompts us that there are 1 or more purchases waiting on a bill from this vendor. Let's click OK here, and once again we're brought to the Apply to Purchase Order Number tab. Let's pull in the same PO again. You'll see now Peachtree has updated the records, the inventory, for what's been received. Now there's 4 remaining. We've received all of these, and there's 2 remaining here. Okay, let's clear this screen, and now let's assume it's a few days later and the invoice arrives from that shipment. So we need to come in and update Peachtree and assign an invoice number to that shipment that we received. Come here to the Open button, and in this column, Waiting ? This is the column for Waiting on Bill from Vendor. Let's scroll down and find our shipment. Here it is, Southern Garden Wholesale. Click OK, and let's uncheck this box and put the invoice number in. Now we have an invoice number in the system, and we can pay this bill. And that's how Peachtree updates inventory and tracks inventory using purchases and purchase orders.